Hi friends, today I am giving the end of the day report for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today we have seen a very good run in Nifty but not in Bank Nifty. So let's first check the figures of FIS and DIS. You can see here today the FIS were net buyers for the second consecutive day, but they have bought 3,881 crores. But for the first time, DIS book profit. They sold 1,800 crores approximately. So FIS are the key players for today's shoot up of Nifty. Let's check the five major contributors of Nifty. You can see here Bajaj Finance, TCS, Bajaj Fin Service, HDFC, Bharti Airtel are the crucial contributors for Nifty shoot up today. Today Nifty shoot up 1.20%, that is 200 points approximately. The underperform stocks in Nifty 50 today are Reliance, Nestle, Tata Motors, Indus Bank, and BPCL. Let's check the open interest. You can see the weekly expiry 2nd September Nifty. The max pain is at 17,000. If you check open interest, there is strong underwriting 17,000 put option, and the smart money is at 17,100 straddle. But the interesting fact I want to share from my experience is that whenever there is spikes like this, it is I have been observed for almost 1 year. I have generally seen it on the call option, and if FIRs or DIS able to pull the market for down 100 points or 200 points, these lines will further stretch or pull the Nifty down. The reason is 2nd September is the week expiry, and you all know that. And almost all the Nifty put option premiums are decayed. Most of the underwriters who have underwritten these strikes will close their short positions. And if Nifty moved 100 points or 200 points down, if anyone else just holding these positions, then their delta and gamma changes very fast. So to cover up that, they go further back and underwrite the put option, or they start to write call options. This will pull the Nifty down. This will similarly happens with call options too. When there is a strong call option spikes here, and if they able to pull the market 100 points or 200 points further up, then it will stretch the Nifty even 100 points more. Just an observation, and not proven. I don't have any exact information to prove this. It is just an observation. Okay. Now let's go to trendy line and check here. You can see the Nifty September month expiry. The highest call option is 17,000, followed by 17,500 in second place, and 17,200 is having the highest call in open interest at third place. If you see the put option for the September month expiry, highest open interest is at 17,000, followed by 16,500 and 16,900. So this indicates that for the month of September, the smart money is at short straddle. So 17,000 is going to be the short straddle. So let's check what is the short straddle premium we are getting at 17,000. You can see here 17,000. So at the end of the day, 17,000 short straddle is giving a total premium of 500 rupees approximately, 314 rupees call premium, and 182 rupees put premium. So 500 rupees premium indicates that the higher break even at 17,500 and lower break even at 16,500. So Nifty is going to trade in between 16,500 to 17,500 for the month of September. Okay, now let's go and check the Bank Nifty. Even Nifty had made a good shoot up. Bank Nifty was totally underperforming and it doesn't move anywhere. You see, today it just 76 points, add up to previous day closing of 36,347. The major contributors are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra, SBI, Axis Bank, and the major dragging stocks are AU Small Finance Banking, Indus Banking, IDFC Banking, RBL Banking, and Bandhan Banking. Now let's go and check the open interest for Bank Nifty. Here you can see Bank Nifty. There is a firm call option underwriting at 36,500 and put option underwriting at 35,900. So Bank Nifty is really not going anywhere for this week expiry. The max pain is going to be 36,300. There is no change in it. Even the last day, the max pain remains at 36,300. What is max pain? Max pain is nothing but it's a theoretical concept that tells at this particular strike for the particular expiry date, there will be the minimum loss to underwriters. Max pain theory always works in favor to the option writers. Based on that data, the max pain figure is arrived, and this is not a very reliable figure because it changes whenever the open interest changes. Okay, now let's go to and check the Bank Nifty. You can see here for the month of 30th September expiry, we are seeing highest call, we are seeing highest open interest for the 36,500 call option, followed by 37,000 and 37,500. When we come to put option, the highest open interest is at 35,000, followed by 36,000 and 35,500. So there is no straddle here, but it is a strangle in between 35,000 to 36,500 for Bank Nifty. Now let's, we already seen Bank Nifty open interest. We have seen the FIA DIS figure straddles. Yeah, the interesting thing I want to show today is this data will be downloaded from NSC website. It is participant wise open interest, number of contracts in equity derivatives. You can download it and you have to realign it to analyze it. Here you can see future index long, future index short. This is the data I realigned in DIS are 86.90, that is approximately 87% short. They are shorting future index. But remember, futures are always month expiry, and this analysis is going to have impact on month expiry options. Weekly options doesn't have much impact this data, since September 2nd is the first week and the first week expiry of the first series of this month. But I was giving this data, it is very effective for the second half of the month and the monthly expiry. Even you can see here future stocks DIS are 98% short here. And you can see option index calls, they have taken positions only for 401 contracts. Here you can see all the figures are number of contracts, not in terms of rupee. And you can see option index put long, they have taken almost 27,596 number of contracts. They're having long position. What is long position? They just bought put options. DIs never sh- underwrite call options or put options. Only FIS do that. Okay. And you can see here the overall figures. DIs are in short position for 95%. FIS are long position for 61%. So in observation, whenever FIS goes over total of 75% long, then we can expect market a down trend for 300 to 400 points. It is only from observations, the data. It is only from observation. I am telling this. So we hope within next few days, if FIIs, foreign institutional investors, touch 70% or 75%, then we can go and buy put options for targeting around 300 to 400 points. And as I said earlier, you can see here the open interest for Nifty. So I was expecting some long unwinding. Long unwinding means profit booking. The markets rallied very high and touched 17,150 today. So I was expecting for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, by the end of this week, some profit booking. Today, DIS have made some profit booking, but FIS came and bought aggressively 3,800 crores. TIS sold just 1800 crores. So FIS aggressively bought double the figure. That is why markets moved up. Otherwise, today 17,000 would have been a great resistance, and market would have ended at 16,900 or around 16,950. And thank you. I hope this is helpful.